Frigidaire Dishwasher Model FFCD2413US4A Troubleshooting Common Error Codes. Common error codes help diagnose problems with your Frigidaire Dishwasher Model FFCD2413US4A. These codes show on the display panel. They tell you what is wrong and where to start fixing it. Knowing these codes saves time and avoids unnecessary repairs. Each error code corresponds to a specific issue. Some codes point to water supply problems, while others indicate drainage or heating errors. Learning to identify these codes helps keep your dishwasher running smoothly. Identifying error messages. The dishwasher uses a combination of letters and numbers for errors. For example, E1 means a water fill issue. E2 signals a drain problem. E3 shows a heating failure. These messages appear on the control panel screen. Check the user manual for a full list of codes. Look for blinking lights or numbers. These often match specific errors. Write down any codes you see. This helps when searching for solutions or calling support. Steps to clear errors. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it. Wait for about 5 minutes to reset the system. Plug it back in and turn it on. Often, this clears minor errors. If the error returns, check for obvious issues. Ensure water supply is on and hoses are not clogged. Clean filters and drains if needed. For persistent errors, consult a technician.